Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come see the car for yourself.